Hello, food lovers. Have you tried Kumpir, one of the most famous Turkish street foods? This delicious stuffed baked potato is crispy outside, fluffy inside, and packed with amazing toppings, as you see. First, take a large potato and wrap it completely with foil and put into the oven to bake. Place the wrapped potato into the oven. Bake it until the inside becomes soft and fluffy. Place it on the counter, then carefully cut a long slit across the top to create a bowl-like opening. Take a spoon or knife or fork and gently scoop the soft potato inside. Add a piece of butter and kosher cheese or mozzarella. Mix everything together while the potato is still hot. Add corn, chopped sausage, olives, and any other things like pickles, mushroom, or peas. Finally, add your sauces. Use mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard on top. And there it is. If you ever came to Turkey, I recommend you to try all Turkish food. If you enjoyed cooking with Chef Hoolou, gently click on the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment. Tell me, what would you like me to cook? See you soon in the next country with a delicious recipe.